Hello friends and everyone, welcome back to Blazor channel. In this channel, we provide content on .NET Blazor Hybrid mobile application. In this video, we're going to look at how we can check if our mobile app is connected to internet or not, and even how do we retrieve the connection profile, whether our phone is connected to Wi-Fi or it is connected to cellular data. That is what we're going to have a look. Before we jump right into this, make sure you have subscribed to this channel and also click on the like button to support this channel also. All right, so I have my Blazor Hybrid internet connectivity app project created, as you can see on the screen, and I have my emulator also running. Now, if you want to check for internet connectivity, there are several ways of doing it. You can first create a service, then you can go in and register the service and undo that. The other way around is you can also go to your Blazor component straight and inject this interface. This interface is built in with .NET MAUI Essentials, which is part of the framework. So we need not to install any package for this. Let's see how we're going to do that. So as you can see from here, that is my home page for my Blazor application. Now, if I go to my solution, I have this home page from this component, then pages, and I have my home page open. All right, so in order for us to do this or achieve that, let's first inject our interface. But before we inject the interface, I think we need to go and register that before we forget it. So go to MauiProgram.cs file and now let's register this connectivity service. So now we have registered this connectivity service, then we can go through our component straight and do that magic. So as you can see, we have injected our interface. Now in our home page, let's first add some maybe an element to present or to show what we have. Now, when you check what we're doing here, when a page initializes, you want to get a network access, and you can get it from this connectivity. Bear in mind that we have registered this connectivity service in our program.cs file, and then we want to get a profile. This is going to return enumerable, so we're going to join them one after the another. So whether you are connected to Wi-Fi or you're connected to mobile data at the same time, you can have these two profiles. And in case you are connected to any of them, we're also going to have the same profile. So this connectivity, we are not using that. We want to use the interface here. So I'm talking about this connectivity. Make sure to use this connectivity. Now let's go and run it and check this out. You can see from here that we are having a network access as internet. So we are connected to the internet. But connection profiles, we don't have any connection profile. Why? When we check our source, you see we did not specify this variable here, isn't it? So let's do that. Okay, now that we have this variable specified, let's save that and let's run this again. You can see that from here, as we have the network, we have the internet from a network access, we have the cellular and the Wi-Fi. So if I check here, you can see I have these two services connected. So I have mobile data, I have Wi-Fi connected. If I disconnect all, check it out. Now what I'm going to do here is let's close this up. So we have this app closed. Now let's go and launch this app again. And now let's check this out. So you can see that here we are having network access as none, and profile we have none as well. So that is the simplest way to check if your mobile app is connected to internet or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did that, then do not forget to give me thumbs up to this video. Alright, I'm going to catch up again with another informative content like this. Stay tuned. Till then, take care.